This is a follow-up on the repair that I've done on my X500, 77 Guild X500, my baby. I posted about the Hercules double hanging stand and how unstable it is. So if you're looking at this, I'm sure you guys had seen that. And the accident happened right back here where I reached back to get a strap off the wall, hardly even touched that thing, and bam, over she goes, and she landed and she hit hard. And all my strings were stuck on the top here and wouldn't play. And I thought, oh my gosh, you know, I've run this thing and I've popped the neck. Well, I didn't, and thanks to some comments on the Guild Talk, I decided I would just go ahead and see if I could do that. That is just anything that you're seeing there is a finish crack. So the neck is nice and solid. I'm so lucky I did not snap this headstock. So what had happened is that it had raised the fretboard up to about the middle of between the third and or fourth and fifth fret, about the middle of the fourth fret. And so I took it upon myself to put it together. It also had popped off a piece of this binding, and I put that back on, got that all together. So I took the nut, removed the nut off to make sure there was no crack here, you know, that would cause some trouble. There's no crack. I just feel so blessed that I was able to get away with this because I've had this guitar over 20 years. It was my first rockabilly, or my attempt to look like Brian Setzer. But I loved Guilds, so I put the Bigsby on this X500, and these pickups in this thing are, as you guys know, are just, they're marvelous. They're the best humbucker pickup ever built. So anyway, it all plays. So the kind of music I like, that's what I'm going to show you how it played very quickly here, with some backing tracks that I made with my Digitech Trio, and it was so I could practice the lead licks to some of these rockabilly and Buddy Holly type songs. So here's a couple of them, and then I won't bore you with any more, but I'm just so thankful that this thing went together and did not suffer any major problems. So here we go. Let's see if I can get this one right. This one was hard to learn. Okay, well, there's enough of that, and I quit showing my face a lot when I do any of these videos because it's just really getting old, dude. But boy, I am so happy and blessed that this baby is all together, and I, to the best of my ability, will never let that happen again. So anyway, there it is. Thanks for all the support and kind words when I posted that, and do not buy a Hercules double stand for love nor money. Thank you. Bye-bye.